MUL14 from Larson Electronics is a 15 million Candlepower 35-watt HID handheld spotlight with magnetic base. This light has a 1,250-foot beam that is 115 feet wide at its widest point. It displays a long teardrop-shaped beam pattern. The light is constructed of weatherproof polycarbonate housing, has a polycarbonate handle, and a 100-pound grip magnetic base. The lamp includes precision metal reflectors, a 5-inch handle that contours to the hand, and a 100-pound grip magnetic base that will stick to any ferrous metal surface for use. This HID light has a color temperature of 7,000 K. It is dust and water resistant and weighs only 2 pounds. This light comes with a 16-foot coiled cigarette cord. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.